Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. Today's Nerf Gun review is on the BrainSaw, ZombieStrike BrainSaw. And essentially this is going to be this is a Nerf gun that kind of looks like a chainsaw. And honestly, it does look cool. But I don't know. I don't know how to really rate this at the moment. I mean, I guess on the bright side, it doesn't have a stock. That's cool. I mean, it would be kind of like useless to have a stock somewhere on this blaster because I don't think it's really that necessary. As far as the blade goes, this piece here and this piece here isn't foam. This is plastic, so please do not whack anybody with it. Now, on the other hand, this piece here, the very end of it, is rotatable, as in, I guess, movable, I guess, and it is pure foam. Kind of stiff, a little stiff foam. The blaster comes with 8 darts, 8 ZombieStrike darts, and they don't have any logos on them, like the typical ZombieStrike darts do. Also came with this handle that I had no idea, this handle here. I didn't realize that this actually goes on top of the blaster and it snaps into place and you can never get it out of there. I never knew that from the very beginning. When I opened it up, it's like, oh, that's so cool, but how do you put, I see it has a handle, but where do you put the handle? Oh, right, I didn't open up the box completely yet. Whoops. This thing has a tactical rail. It looks like, yeah, it's not a bouncy tactical rail portion, so yeah, okay, so it does have a tactical rail. It's most all Nerf accessories. Probably not a blast shield from the Stampede because that A, impractical. B, it's not going to work. Possibly. Now, as far as the cosmetics go, I mean, the way this works, the way this thing spins, is you've seen me do it. Just pull that thing back and blam, it's revved up or something. So the way this blaster works is this looks like, it kind of looks like a screwdriver. Here, I'll zoom in a little bit. This looks like a screwdriver handle where you would grip a screwdriver and start tightening or loosening things. This is actually how you prime the blaster. And I tend to do angled shots so I can feel a little bit more comfortable. Now, what I also noticed with this is the first 2 shots, they do this, it's like, so it goes from there to there and then back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until it's all gone. Until all 8 darts are used up. But as far as I've noticed, it seems like the lower, as you go down this little chain here of darts, the power gets weaker and weaker, and it's getting harder and harder to judge whether or not this would be an overall good blaster. So the shots are going down sooner, and they are going down a lot. They're going down a lot sooner. And they're getting harder to I don't know, it's like the firepower for the first 2 or 3 shots were really, really good. Had a lot of force and a lot of bounce to it, a lot of bounce back. But as you get to like shots 4 all the way down to 8, the shots get less and less powerful and less and less like force. It's kind of like getting out of the blaster, and then 10 feet later, it's like, oh, I'm going to go down. Not exactly how it works, but that's just how I think of it as it is right now. Let's see. So there are sling points here, here, and here. I do love the grip. I do love this grip here, and the trigger. That was loaded. My bad. Let's take out this other dart too. Okay. So, anyway, getting back to the grip. The grip feels nice and comfortable. This can't be... Sadly, I want to spin this so badly. I can't get enough oomph over, and then it's like I'm just slicing myself in half. Anyway. see. I pretty much nailed a couple of key points here. So let's see. So ammo capacity is 8 darts. You get the gun, you get the blaster and then 8 darts. And the handle, please remember that there's a handle involved and you have to attach it manually, because I didn't do that and I am just brainless, clueless, going like, huh, I think this came with a handle, but I don't know why. Anyway, problem solved, found it out 2 days later. Anyway, and ammo capacity 8 darts, so that's reasonably well. I would expect more, because the green and grass is green, so they're going to get lost easily. The rate of fire is I don't know if this does have slam fire. Okay, this has slam fire. Slam fire is you pull down this trigger, and then just pull this back, and then just do that for 8 shots or so. So I guess rate of fire. I haven't tested the slam fire, and maybe I should do that now, just so I can get this as partial credit. Sorry, I've had a drink or two, and I'm pretty energetic. Right, so slam fire. So the shots that were just like that. Oh, just wasted it. Okay. So for the shots where I would just pull the thing back, push it forward, and then pull the trigger. That's single shot. You pump it every time and such. Just gonna try slam fire. All right, so the firepower's improved a bit. I could see these darts going no further than 40 or 50 or 40 or 45 feet. 40 to 45 feet is my guess. Then again, like I said, I can't test it right now. I am going to be making a stockpile of these videos of range tests just to get them out of the way. Anyway, so the rate of fire depends on if you're like me, who just figured out that this gun had slam fire in the middle of the video. Anyway, so rate of fire depends on if you do slam fire or not. So it's variable. It varies. The reload time is very simple, fairly easy. Just stick 8 darts of your choice into these barrels and then prime the gun. You're all set to go. Let's see. So ranges, I talked a little bit about that. Accuracy. Honestly, the accuracy's pretty good. Pretty good for this kind of blaster. But again, like I said before, as you go further down the barrels, they get less and less powerful, which means that accuracy also goes down a little bit too. So, that in mind, I guess firepower is pretty good. Again, relating to the whole, as you go down the barrels of darts, as soon as you get to like 4 to 8 shots, those shots are weakened compared to the 1 through 3 shots. So overall, oh yeah, and the specialty of this blaster is a chainsaw and a shotgun, or maybe it's a chainsaw and like I don't know. I think shotgun when I look at this. Just looking at it, no judgment or anything. It looks like a shotgun merged with a chainsaw. It's pretty awesome, but it does have its own little pros and cons of its own. So to wrap up this video, I'm gonna probably give this out of 1 out of 10. 1 being very, very poor and 10 being really, really good. I'm gonna settle for 7 out of 10. It's a good blaster. It's a great blaster, but it does have some cons to work out. Some of which that the power decreases as you go down the barrels. or as you get more shots in. If you could limit it to like 1, 2, and then 3, 4 on just for the first 4 or 3 shots, you would be set. But that means you cut out 4 shots more, and then you wouldn't have 8 or something like that. Quick maths. Anyway, that is it for today's video. I'm not even in camera view. Wow. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the review on the Nerf ZombieStrike BrainSaw. This is a 7 out of 10. I would recommend it only for, I guess, the darts and for the cosmetics look. And maybe the performance. That's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. Thank you, Ian Senter and DJ Rhino, for sending this blaster along with the other one that's somewhere around here. The Blowdart Blaster is the next one up. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later.